Welcome to the best picks. The best airline tubing is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for any aquarium setup. It's the unsung hero that keeps your aquatic world thriving. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of airline tubing, exploring everything from the different materials available to the ideal diameter and length for your specific needs. Get ready to learn how to choose the perfect tubing to ensure your fish have the oxygen they need to flourish. Number 5. AQUANEAT 14 Feet Aquarium Airline Tubing Kit. Introducing the AQUANEAT Airline Tubing Kit. This kit includes everything you need to keep your aquarium running smoothly. It's a complete solution for your air pump needs. The kit comes with 14 feet of clear, standard 3/16 tubing. It's compatible with most airline accessories. This ensures a secure and reliable connection for your air supply. Included are air stones designed to produce fine bubbles. These durable stones efficiently diffuse oxygen throughout your fish tank. They help maintain a healthy environment for your fish. The kit also includes check valves. These valves prevent water from flowing back into your air pump. This protects your equipment and ensures its longevity. You'll also receive suction cups and T-connectors. These are designed to fit the 3/16-inch ID standard airline tubing. They provide a secure and organized setup for your aquarium. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including air stones, check valves, and connectors. These accessories ensure optimal oxygen diffusion and prevent water from damaging your air pump. If you're setting up a new aquarium or need to replace your current setup, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits my air pump perfectly, affordable, and as advertised. This is soft, pliable tubing, thicker walls than a lot of other tubing out there. The included T-fitting, line splitter, was exactly what I needed as well as the tubing. Number 4. ALEGI Aquarium Airline Tubing Kit. Introducing the ALEGI Aquarium Airline Tubing Kit. This kit is designed for your aquarium and hydroponic systems. It includes everything you need to keep your water clean and your fish happy. The tubing is made of flexible silicone. It's high quality and won't kink, crack, or become brittle over time. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable performance for your aquarium. The included air stones are easily driven by air pumps. They help to oxygenate the water, creating a healthy environment for your aquatic life. This is a crucial part of any aquarium setup. The check valves prevent water from back siphoning. This feature protects your equipment and prevents potential water damage. It's a simple yet effective safety measure. The kit includes 12 suction cups to firmly fix the tubing on the glass wall. Accessories include tubing, return valves, air stones, connectors, and suction cups. It's easy to set up and use. This kit provides everything you need for your aquarium. It's a comprehensive solution for maintaining a healthy and thriving aquatic environment. Get yours today. What we like. This tubing is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and resists kinking. It's designed to withstand wear and tear without cracking. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting tubing solution for your aquarium or hydroponic system, you should consider it. What people say. All you need for multiple air pump applications and plenty of accessories. I ended up trying this tubing and I have had zero issues with it. I also like that the tubing is more flexible versus the standard type. Definitely recommend, especially if you're looking for tubing that won't pop off of your air pump. The hose is extremely flexible, fit tightly on all supplied fittings. Suction cups hold better than any I've seen before. Number 3. ALEGI 100 feet 3/16-inch silicone air tubing. This is a flexible and durable silicone tubing. It is designed for use in various systems. The tubing is made of high-quality silicone and will not crack or become brittle over time. This tubing is perfect for aquariums, terrariums, and hydroponics. It can be easily hidden and blend into your system. It is a reliable choice for your needs. This tubing fits all standard 3/16-inch outlets. This includes air pumps, check valves, filtration systems, air stones, and aquarium ornaments. It is easy to set up and use. Made of high-quality silicone, this tubing is built to last. It is designed to withstand wear and tear without kinking. You can rely on it for long-term use. The package includes 100 feet of silicone airline tubing. It provides ample length for your setup. It is a great value for your money. What we like. With a generous 100-foot length, this tubing offers flexibility in your setup. Its black color helps it blend seamlessly into your aquarium or hydroponics system. If you have a large aquarium or need to run tubing over a long distance, this is perfect for you. What people say. This is great air tubing for low-pressure applications. It fits all of the 1/4 connectors I've used it with so far. Very flexible yet stout. It's odorless and no plastic outgassing. Number 2. PENN-PLAX Standard Airline Tubing, 8 feet. Every aquarist needs extra airline tubing. This tubing is a great solution for connecting air pumps to air stones and other aquarium accessories. Made from clear, flexible plastic, it's built to last. The flexibility makes it easy to work with, and it resists kinking. It is also ultra-durable and won't crack. This airline tubing is made of fish-safe plastic. You can use it in both freshwater and saltwater tanks, so your fish will be safe. The tubing is 8 feet long, with an inner diameter of 4 mm and an outer diameter of 5.8 mm. Soak both ends in warm water for 30 seconds for better connection. PENN-PLAX is a trusted manufacturer of top-quality pet supplies. They specialize in creating excellent products for all kinds of animals. What we like. This clear tubing is flexible and easy to work with, and it's also designed to resist kinking. It's made from fish-safe materials, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater tanks. If you value a simple, reliable, and safe option for your fish, you should consider it. What people say. Nice and thick, easy to use, bendable without affecting the flow of air. The clear tubing is not only visually appealing but also allows me to monitor the air flow easily. The tubing is durable and seems to hold up well against wear and tear, which is important in a busy aquarium environment. Number 1. AQUANEAT 25 feet clear aquarium tubing. This airline tubing is made of fish-safe material, ensuring the safety of your aquatic friends. It's also thickened and wear-resistant, so it won't easily crack or become brittle. The tubing remains kink-resistant even after long periods of use. This feature ensures that airflow passes through the tube smoothly and consistently. The tube is soft and flexible, making it easy to work with. It won't harden even after extended use in the water, maintaining its flexibility. This tubing has a standard 3/16 diameter, making it compatible with most airline accessories. You can easily connect it to your air pump, air stone, or other aquarium equipment. This tubing is suitable for various applications, including fish tanks, aquariums, hydroponics, and ponds. It's safe for both salt and freshwater environments. What we like. This tubing is made of thickened, wear-resistant material that resists kinking and remains soft and flexible over time. It's designed to withstand the rigors of aquarium use. If you want a durable and long-lasting tubing solution, you should consider it. What people say. Very soft airline for my fish tanks. I was needing a replacement hose because my last airline got brittle after a few years of use. So far so good with this one. Flexible and good stuff. Plenty of hose to use on your aquarium equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.